Everyone, here's a real quick one for section 5.2, number 5. We're going to find the values of P and Q if we have this integral, the integral of f from 5 to 9. This is a definite integral, right? Plus the integral of that same function from 9 to 20 is equal to the integral from P to Q, right? So what are these limits of integration going to have to be? Well, just recall this property of definite integrals. The integral from A to B of f of x dx plus the integral from b to c of f of x dx is the integral from a to c f of x dx. So why is that? I drew a little graph right here to sort of illustrate it. Again, here's the graph of the function f, a, b, and c. I put them in this order. They don't have to be in this order. B does not have to be between A and C, but it helps us to see this picture a little bit easier. This first integral from A to B of the function f of x represents this area. Shade that in, right? That area. The integral from b to c represents this area under the curve, right? And so adding these two areas up gives me the total area in the curve from A to C. And so that's why we're getting this integral. And the bottom line is when you're doing this, notice the upper limit here and the lower limit here have to match. And the resulting limits, right? The lower limit of the first integral becomes the lower limit of our result. And the upper limit of the second integral becomes the upper limit of our result. And so in this case, the lower limit should, the nines, right, are matching. So the lower limit P must be 5 and the upper limit Q must be 20. So that's how you do that one.